Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, Ministry of Culture, Government of India wishes you all a very happy and creative International Dance Day. We all know that the International Dance Day is being celebrated on the initiative of UNESCO and International Institute of Theatre, and it started in the year 1982. This day is being celebrated to commemorate the birthday of famous French dancer Jean-Georges Noverre, who was born in 1727. We all know in Indian mythology and in Indian culture, we treat Shiva, Nataraj, as the primordial teacher of dance. It is said, Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya, Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam, Aharyam Chandra Taradi, Tam Numah Satvikam Shivam. We bow to him, the benevolent one, whose limbs are the universe, whose song and poetry are the essence of all languages, whose ornaments are the moon and the stars. We know that dance has been the rhythm of our life. Nobody can ever claim that he does not know or she does not know how to dance, because we all live in a particular rhythm and harmony. Our life revolves around this rhythm and harmony. If we think that our life is going on the right path, it means our rhythm is appropriate and it is justified. If the rhythm is broken, then the life gets unsettled, like the life is getting unsettled these days in corona pandemic. But we have dance to support us, dance to boost our moral, dance to keep our morals high and keep us spirited. As we all know, Bharat Muni has written Natya Shastra in textual traditions, which in detail elaborates the basic nuances and the speciality of dance. Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra has been regarded as the primary text for all the dance lovers and practitioners throughout the world. It is also said, Na tat jnanam, na tat shilpam, nasa vidya, nasa kala, nasau yogo, na tat karma, natte asmin yanya drishyate. There is no knowledge, craft, science, art, yoga or action that does not fall within the purview of performing arts. It has been said by the Bharat Muni in Natya Shastra. And so true it is that we cannot survive without Nritya, without Natya in our life. Today, on the International Dance Day, we again remember the message of our stalwarts, our rishis, our gurus, who have taught us how to live life in a particular rhythm, in a particular tala, in a particular lay. We all bow to all those gurus who have taught us to be true to this Mother Earth, to be true to this God, to be true to the divine force. Once again, we wish you all a very happy International Dance Day. Be creative, be spirited, and enlighten the world. Namaskar.